Today, we delve into the story of one of the great minds shaping the progress of humanity. A genius who dared to challenge the darkness to uncover the mysteries of the universe, echoed throughout the annals of time. Isaac Newton. His story begins with an apple falling from the sky. Yet, this was only the beginning. Newton was a revolutionary genius in physics and mathematics, a scientist and a philosopher. His discoveries enabled us to understand how the universe operates and laid the foundations of modern science. Gravity laws, the nature of colors, concepts of infinity and zero. Newton delved into the depths of science, illuminating the unknown. But his inspiration extended beyond science. He also provided philosophical insights that resonate with us. Welcome to the Just History YouTube channel. Isaac Newton was born on January 4th, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, a village in Lincolnshire, England. His father, Isaac Newton Sr., was a farmer, and his mother was Hannah Ayscough. However, Newton lost his father at the age of 3, leaving his mother, Hannah, to raise young Isaac and his sister alone. Newton's childhood was marked by hardships. His mother placed great importance on his education and sent him to King's School in Grantham. Yet, he initially struggled with self-confidence issues and faced bullying. Nevertheless, Newton overcame these challenges with his determination and intellect. In his childhood, Newton had an extraordinary curiosity and thirst for exploration. He showed a great interest in natural phenomena and mechanical subjects, often spending his time examining the workings of a mill and making observations about birds. Newton's exceptional talents and academic success caught the attention of his relatives, leading to his admission to Cambridge University in 1661. There, his brilliance was quickly recognized, and he excelled in fields such as mathematics, physics, and astronomy. Despite the hardships of his childhood, Newton's curiosity, determination, and intelligence shaped this period of his life. His early experiences and discoveries laid the foundation for his future scientific work and profoundly influenced the modern world. In August 1665, Trinity College in Cambridge was closed due to the outbreak of the plague in London. Newton stayed at his family's farm in Woolsthorpe until March 1667. These 2 years spent on the farm were highly productive, during which he began pondering gravity. He also laid the groundwork for differential and integral calculus in his farm studies, combining previously used methods such as finding areas, arc lengths, and tangents based on differential calculations. In a dark room on the farm, he passed sunlight through a prism, observing the spectrum of light and realizing that white light was not a singular entity. In 1667, when the university reopened, Newton returned to Cambridge, where he became a mathematics professor 2 years later. He spent approximately 30 years at Cambridge, continuing his work independently through correspondence with other scientists. During this time, he prepared and completed his greatest work, the Principia. His experiments on light conducted at his farm led to the discovery that refracting telescopes had flaws, prompting him to develop a reflecting telescope himself. In 1668, this telescope drew the attention of the scientific community, and in 1672, he became a member of the Royal Society. Isaac Newton published Philosophia Naturalis Principia Mathematica, Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy. In Latin, one of the most important scientific works in world history. In this book, he proved his theories geometrically and explained the universal law of gravitation, stating that objects attract each other with a force directly proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The book is divided into three main sections. In the first section, Newton praised Galileo's experiments and mathematically proved Kepler's laws, introducing his own Newton's laws of motion. The second section examined motion within fluids and provided recommendations for optimal ship design, with particular interest in the mathematical analysis of wave motion. In 1696, Newton was offered the position of Warden of the Royal Mint, which he accepted, prompting his move to London. He took this role very seriously and initiated a significant campaign against counterfeiters. Newton enjoyed life in London and gradually lost interest in academic pursuits. In 1703, he was appointed as President of the Royal Society, a position he held until his death. In 1705, he was knighted. And in 1706, he was elected as President of the Royal Society. Sir Isaac Newton passed away on March 31st, 1727, at the age of 84, and was buried in Westminster Abbey. Newton's contributions: laws of motion, Principia Mathematica. Newton made significant contributions to classical mechanics in his famous book, Principia Mathematica. This work includes the universal law of gravitation, the three laws of motion defining how objects move, and fundamental principles related to circular motion. These contributions are considered foundational to modern physics and have had a broad impact. Optics. Newton conducted a series of experiments demonstrating the separation of white light into its component colors and studying how prisms refract light. These experiments provided essential insights into the nature of light and contributed significantly to the development of optics. Mathematics. Newton developed the foundational concepts of differential and integral calculus, leading to significant advancements in the field of mathematics. His work laid the groundwork for the analytical branch of mathematics and played a crucial role in various fields. Gravity. Newton's universal law of gravitation defines the gravitational force between objects and provides a mathematical model to calculate the magnitude and effects of this force. This law has played a significant role in many fields, including astronomy and space sciences. Calculus. Newton is considered an important mathematician who developed the modern form of calculus. However, his contributions to the development of calculus are controversial due to his disputed relationship with Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. And thus, our journey into the remarkable world of Isaac Newton comes to an end. Today, we've shared our admiration and appreciation for this great genius, but this is only the beginning. Newton's discoveries and ideas have left a legacy that will endure forever, and his influence continues to be felt in every field of modern science. Newton's life presents us with an example filled with determination, curiosity, and brilliant intellect. Despite the challenges he faced, his life shows us how great scientific progress can be achieved and how vast human potential truly is. Each of us should strive to be curious, to question, and to explore like Newton did in our own fields. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has provided you with a deep understanding of Isaac Newton's life and work. Please don't forget to share this video and spread knowledge, because as knowledge is shared, it multiplies, benefiting us all. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.